Good afternoon, students. As we have been studying the lesson Science is Fun, in previous video we learned the conversation between two sisters, Timmy and Limmy. Timmy is smaller one and Limmy is elder one. As Timmy is bored with the subject science and she thinks it's one of the most boring subject and she get bored while studying and she doesn't like it, then Limmy, her elder sister, is trying to make her understand that our life without science is nothing. If you did not have a house, you would have, left, or you would have lived in caves. Without electricity, you wouldn't have even eaten ice creams and all. So many things Limmy made her understand. But still, she has a questions. Who? Timmy. Then Limmy asks her, without science, our life even we cannot imagine. Just tell me what is there in this room. What can you say? What can you see? Then Timmy says, I can see the notebook, pencil, mama's mobile phone, that. Then what happens is we are going to learn in this video. I'm going to read out. Look into the book, page number 37. All the things that are there in this world work according to certain rules. Even your body, science, since ancient times, people have questioned, studied and understood these rules. I'll reread it. All the things that are there in this world work according to certain rules. Even your body, since ancient times, people have questioned, studied and understood these rules. Then they used to use this knowledge and invented new things. Limmy says, so everything, whatever you see in this bedroom, everything that are there in this world, that works according to the rules. जो भी यहाँ पे आप अपने इसमें देख सकते हो, कहाँ पे? बेडरूम में, that works according to the certain rules. Let it be your body. And from ancient times से ही लोगों को बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस थे जो उन्होंने स्टडी करके ट्राई करके समझ लिए एंड उन्होंने बहुत सारी चीजें खोज ली. इन्वेंशन, दे इन्वेंटेड न्यू थिंग्स, राइट? said Timmy, thinking hard. Then Timmy को जाके समझ में आया. She said, It means she was like, she agreed. Do you know how electricity was discovered? Do you know how electricity was discovered? Benjamin Franklin, an American scientist, flew a kite with a metal key attached to it in the thunderstorm. The lightning charged the key and he got an electrical shock. This proved what he had been thinking about, that lightning and electricity are related. Today, nothing in the world works without electricity. So if you ever get the question who had invented the electricity, then you should tell Benjamin Franklin, right? How it was discovered. Not invented, how it was discovered. It's an American scientist. ये जो है बेंजामिन फ्रैंकलिन, ये अमेरिका का साइंटिस्ट है जिसने एक पतंग उड़ाई थी और उसको एक मेटल की लगाया था, अटैच किया था. और थंडरस्टॉर्म, जब भी थंडरस्टॉर्म होता है तब लाइटिंग चार्ज होके वो की को इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक लग गया. And this proved electricity, right? And this proved that lightning and electricity are connected. Got it? I am already sweating at the very thought of no electricity, said Timmy. Timmy ने बोला, I am so shocked with the thought that no electricity. Now, imagine if Alexander Graham Bell had not invented the telephone. Limmy said, अभी इमेजिन कर लो अगर अलेक्जेंडर ग्राहम बेल ने टेलीफोन नहीं इन्वेंट किया होता, we would not be able to talk to people halfway across the globe while sitting comfortably in our homes. ये जो पूरा वर्ल्ड है, let it be you, let it be you are like anywhere. You just talk to, you just talk to whom? You just talk to anyone, your relatives, right? So why it happened? Because of Alexander Graham Bell. In fact, the internet, email, computers, smartphones, tables, all these have changed our lives so much. If you think about it, they are like miracles. On internet, now the way we are talking, right? We are talking to each other. How is this possible? It's because of internet. It's a science, right? Again. And it's like a miracle. Miracle like a magic. Fun, right? It's like miracle, it's happening. And that's what the fun we have. That's the reason science is fun, right? Timmy, you have no idea how much study is going on, from discovering the power of herbs in forest to exploring outer space. From the food we eat to our clothes we wear, science is doing wonders for us. Limi says, Timmy, you have no idea what is going on. What is happening in this world? From discovering the powers of herbs in forests to exploring outer space. मतलब जंगल में हर्ब्स ढूंढने से लेके आउटर स्पेस स्काई में अबव क्या क्या खोज निकाल रहे हैं हम, राइट? Didi, are there aliens in outer space? Then Timmy says to Limi, Didi, are there aliens in outer space? Honestly, I don't know about that. For once, Limi had no answer and she kept quiet. Then I know I will do when I grow up. I will science aliens, said Timmy proudly. Timmy had no idea about aliens, so she asked her Didi, her elder sister Limi, are there aliens in outer space? Then Limi says, honestly, I don't have any idea about it. Limi fell laughing on her chair. From her chair, it is very good that you want to study science and to be scientist, but first get your spelling and grammar right. Otherwise, how will the aliens understand you? So Limi says to Timmy, first you need to understand the science and then you can, be the scientist. But for that reason, you need to learn the spelling of science and grammar. Then you can be scientist and you can go anywhere. So all I want to tell you is I have observed students, mostly they don't prefer studying English grammar and English language or any language. They will just go on studying math, science. But let me tell you, whoever you want to be, you need to learn the language first, because when you will talk, then people will understand you, and language does matter a lot. Grammar, pronunciation. Got it? Alright, thank you. I'll be sending you out the question and answers on Google Classroom.